Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Grammar and Punctuation Introductory Book, Age 6 Plus, Key Stage 1, focusing on grammar skills. In my previous lectures, I have covered unit number 1 and 2, and today I'm going to start unit number 3, that is nouns. Yes, nouns. Words that name things are called nouns, or all the naming words are called noun. Noun is the name of person, place, or thing. Okay. For example, sky, fish, boat. These are the nouns. These are names. That is why these are called nouns. Noun is the name of person, place, or thing. Or all the naming words are called nouns. Words that name things are called nouns. Okay. These are 5 nouns. They are names of different things. Sand, sea, sky, fish, boat. These are the names. They are called nouns. Okay. Practice. Choose the correct noun to complete each sentence. Write the sentences in your book. Bike, car, boat. Here is what you can see in this car. So here is a car. Number 2. Umbrella, octopus, egg. This is an egg. Next one is horse, hen, house. I can see a horse. As you can see this is a horse. So I can see a horse. Next one is bells, birds, bees. I can hear some birds. You can see the picture of birds. So what you will write in this blank? I can hear some birds. This is the right answer. 3 options are given to you. You have to choose the accurate one. So birds is the right one. I can hear some birds. Okay, next page. Socks, sticks, socks. Sacks, sticks, socks. So these are socks. Next one, apples, pears, oranges. Here are some apples. You can see the picture of apples. Okay. So what you have learned today? Today you have learned about nouns. Noun is the name of person, place, or thing, or all the naming words are called nouns. I hope this lecture will be helpful for class KG and 1. Thank you so much for watching.